So in the beginning of the movie we are shown a scene of the year 1961, where Neil Armstrong and his other friends were returning to Earth, after completing a mission in space. And here NASA is also giving him full instructions. But as soon as their spaceship enters the orbit of the Earth, then suddenly their spaceship goes in the wrong direction. Seeing this, all the people present they get very scared, because their spaceship is coming towards the Earth very fast. Seeing this, they try a lot to control the spaceship but they are unable to control it. Now here those people feel that maybe now they will not survive. But still Neil did not give up. That is why he uses all his strength, and somehow with great difficulty lands his spaceship safely in a desert. The rest of the people become very happy, but on the other hand, NASA gets very angry with Neil, and they consider Neil Armstrong responsible for this incident, because they feel that Neil did not follow the instructions given by them, due to which their spacecraft went out of control. Hearing this, Neil becomes very sad. Actually NASA wanted to make its name by sending a human to the moon first. But here every time their mission fails, and this time also they could not complete their mission. And then the scene shifts and we see Neil in the hospital, where his 3-year-old daughter was very ill. So Neil brought her to the hospital. Neil loves his daughter very much, so he did not go to work for many days. And he used to take care of his daughter by staying with her all day. And then one day a friend of Neil comes to meet him, where he tells him that NASA is preparing for another mission again. And you have also been called in it, so you have to come with me. But here Neil clearly refuses to do this mission, and he tells him that until my daughter's health is not better, I will not go on any mission. After hearing this, his friend leaves from there, and then the scene shifts and we are shown a scene of a few days later, where Neil's daughter dies. Seeing this, Neil becomes very sad and he does not understand what to do now. And after his daughter's death, he goes into a deep shock, because he loved his daughter very much. That's why Neil remains lost in the memories of his daughter all day. Now doing this, a few days pass, and then one day he gets a call from NASA, and he is told that they are preparing for the next mission, so you will also have to go in it. At first, Neil refuses NASA, but due to NASA's insistence, in the end he also agrees to go in the mission. Actually Neil is a very experienced astronaut. He has completed many missions by going into space. That is why NASA had decided to send him in this mission as well. Now here Neil also understands how long he will remain lost in the memories of his daughter. That is why he decides to forget all the memories and start his new life. After that, the next day he goes to NASA's office and starts preparing for the next mission. But this training is so difficult that no one can survive here, because here everyone is made to sit in a machine, and then it starts rotating round and round through that machine. That is why the health of all the astronauts sitting here starts deteriorating. But still these people have to complete this training. And then one day it is told on TV that an astronaut of the Soviet Union has come out of his spaceship and has come into this space. That is why this astronaut has become the first person in the world to do so. Seeing this, NASA starts feeling that perhaps these people will set foot on the moon before them. That is why they quickly start preparing. And here NASA also makes Neil the leader of this mission. And then one day Neil's friend comes to him and tells him that his friend Elite has died in a rocket crash. After hearing this, Neil feels very bad because he is a very good friend of his. After that, all of them go for his funeral. But as soon as he reaches there, Neil misses his daughter a lot, because he had lost his daughter a few days ago. After that he gets up from there and goes outside. And after coming out, he starts looking at the moon through the telescope. But then his friend comes there and tells him that you should also give time to your family members for now. But here Neil ignores his words. And then we are shown the scene of the next day, where all of them are ready to go on the mission. So Neil goes to the spaceship with his friends. Here the mission of these people is how they connected their spacecraft with other spacecrafts in space. These missions were not so easy for them, but still these people muster courage and go into space with full effort, and connect their spacecraft with the spacecraft present there. Seeing this, the people at NASA below also become very happy. But after connecting there, their connection with NASA breaks. Therefore, their spacecraft also starts going out of control. Seeing this, Neil quickly separates his spacecraft from there. And as soon as it is separated, their spacecraft starts rotating very fast in all directions. Seeing this, all the people present there start getting scared, and some of them faint. And here Neil's health also starts deteriorating slowly. But here Neil does not lose courage, and somehow he controls his spacecraft and quickly lands it back on Earth. Now after coming to Earth, those people start asking a lot of questions on them. But then Neil tells everyone that it is not our fault, because we had already completed our mission and all this happened only after that. Saying this, all of them leave from there. And then after a few days, NASA sends 3 astronauts into space for the Apollo 1 mission. But shortly after that, the spacecraft catches fire, due to which all 3 of them die on the spot. And hearing this, Neil also feels very bad because all the missions of NASA were failing one by one. And then the scene shifts and we are shown a scene of 1 year later, where Neil is still training sitting inside a machine. He sees how he can land on the moon with the help of this machine. But then suddenly that machine malfunctions. Seeing this, Neil separates from that machine with the help of his parachute. And then that machine falls down and blasts in a short while. And during that time, he also gets injured on his head. Seeing this, his wife stops him from going on this mission. But here Neil does not pay much attention to her words. And after a few days, protests against NASA start everywhere, because people start feeling that many people have lost their lives due to NASA's mission. And NASA is also wasting the government's money. But here NASA does not care about all these people. And again they start preparing for their next mission. And after a long time, NASA finally prepares Apollo 11 for the mission, which will go straight and land on the moon. And the leadership of this mission is also given to Neil. But here his wife tries a lot to stop him from going on this mission, because if even a small mistake happens on this mission, then they will never come back. But here Neil ignores her words and gets ready to go on the mission. And finally in 1969, these people come to Florida. After that Neil sits in his spacecraft with his friends Michael and Edwin. And after some time they start leaving for space for their mission. And after a journey of 4 days, they finally succeed in reaching the moon. But their mission was still not over here, because now the biggest challenge for these people was to land their spacecraft on the moon. After that, these people start preparing to land on the moon. But then Neil sees that their fuel was getting low. Seeing this, Neil quickly manages to land his spacecraft on the surface of the moon somehow. Seeing this, everyone becomes very happy, because the hard work of those people for years was completed today. After that, Neil also comes out of his spacecraft, where he takes his first step on the moon for the first time in human history. And as soon as he comes here, Neil remembers his daughter a lot, because at one time he used to show the moon to his daughter from the earth, and today he himself is present on the moon. And from here the earth was looking very beautiful. After that Michael and Edwin also set foot on the moon. Here all this seemed like a dream to these people, because they had not even thought that they would become the first people to come to the moon. Now after some time they prepare to come back. But before coming, Neil leaves his daughter's bracelet on the moon itself. And from there they come back to earth. But as soon as they come to earth, they are quarantined. Because if any dangerous virus comes there along with them, then the whole world can be in danger. Therefore NASA quarantines them for the safety of itself in this world. And after a few days, Neil's wife comes here to meet him. Seeing him, she becomes very happy, because she does not believe that Neil is sitting alive in front of her. And after a few days, their quarantine also ends. After that they come out from there. And then at the end of the movie we are shown that Neil and his friends had become very famous all over the world. Seeing this, Neil and his friends become very happy because they did something that was impossible. And with this, the movie also ends here.